this exercise, we will learn the rectangle tool. Basically, the rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles. Let's see how this tool will work. If I move the arrow key here, we can see the rectangle tool. And if I right-click on it, we can see U is the shortcut key. Okay, now select this tool and draw a shape. Very simple, something like that. We can adjust the color from it, stroke, and size of stroke. We can adjust width and height. And we can also combine shapes, something like that. Then we can subtract, intersect shapes, merge. We can also align shapes. Just select all. Press Ctrl and A, and we can align. Something like that. We can bring the shape in front or to the back side. Okay, next we have path option, and we can change the thickness of the path and change its colors. Remember, this is viewed here, but not after you save it. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the rounded rectangle tool.